Kitchen scraps revolution. What to do, should you eat it or something else? Life hack, consumable bits and pieces. Discover the art of carrot top pesto and learn which kitchen scraps are worth savoring and which ones are best left behind, including a surprising perspective on strawberry leaves. Life hack, cores and seeds of apples. Avoid consuming these seeds due to their cyanide-producing chemical, harmful to humans, dogs, and cats. Accidental ingestion is generally not alarming, as a lethal dose requires chewing and consuming at least 150 seeds or about 15 cores. Life hack, asparagus stems with a woody texture. Enjoy the tender stems by cooking and transforming them into a flavorful soup. Simply cut off the woody lower parts, simmer in broth for 15 minutes, blend into a puree, and strain through a fine mesh sieve for a delightful dish. Life hack, peels of bananas. Yes, savor banana peels for their edible and nutritious qualities, especially when ripe. Experiment with adding them to smoothies, making quick pickles, or caramelizing for a sweet, crunchy snack, and opt for organic options to ensure they are pesticide-free. Life hack, stems and leaves of broccoli. Enjoy delicious broccoli stems by cutting them into sticks or chunks, boiling or roasting until tender, or grate, salt, and drain for a salad. The leaves, rich in nutrients, can be enjoyed raw in salads or cooked like greens such as collards or kale. Life hack, stems and roots of cilantro. Safe and flavorful, both cilantro stems and roots, common in Thai recipes, require thorough washing to remove grit before mincing and using them along with the leaves. Life hack, peels and membranes of citrus. The peel and leftover flesh from juiced citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruit are nutrient-rich and safe to eat. Steep them in water for a refreshing drink or explore candied peel recipes for a sweet treat. Life hack, skins of kiwi. The edible kiwi skin, rich in fiber and aiding vitamin C preservation, is perfect for munching or adding to smoothies after a thorough scrub and rinse. Life hack, skins of mango. Containing the same irritating compound as poison ivy and poison oak, they can cause skin and stomach irritation. Life hack, onion and garlic sprouts. Fresh shoots from aged onions offer a mild, sweet flavor akin to scallions, while the bitter and harsh green shoots emerging from aged garlic should be removed before using the clove. Life hack, seeds of peppers. While they may impart a slight bitterness or, in the case of chilies, spiciness, adding whole jalapenos, and optionally tomatoes, directly to rice before cooking is a popular and harmless shortcut for Mexican-style rice. Life hack, potato with sprouted eyes and greenish skin. To avoid bitterness and potential toxins from sprouted eyes or exposure to light, trim sprouts and green parts from a potato before cooking, eliminating the need to discard the entire spud. Life hack, leaves of rhubarb. Avoiding the poisonous leaves and sticking to the stalks is recommended, as the leaves contain oxalic acid, which may lead to kidney stones. Life hack, stems and leaves of strawberries. Infuse the full strawberry flavor by washing whole tops and using them in ice water, vinegar, or booze, or dry unhulled strawberries for tea, and add them to smoothies for an extra dose of nutritious greens. Life hack, stems of Swiss chard and kale. Cook the coarse and fibrous Swiss chard stems by peeling, cutting into batons, and steaming or boiling, while kale stems require blanching or braising before roasting, blending into pestos, or adding to salads. Life hack, stems, leaves, and stem ends of tomatoes. Tomatoes, part of the nightshade family like eggplant, have minimal toxins, with the stem end and pungent leaves and stems being safe to eat. Some cooks incorporate them into sauces and soups for a fresh garden tomato flavor. Life hack, rinds of watermelon. Often discarded, watermelon rinds are perfectly edible with a sweet, refreshing flavor, making them a delightful addition to smoothies when blended with sweetener, mint leaves, and a squeeze of lime. Life hack, skins of winter squash. Winter squashes like butternut, pumpkin, and spaghetti squash have inedible tough skins, while varieties like acorn, delicata, kabocha, and sweet dumpling feature thinner skins that can be enjoyed along with their tender interiors. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.